Puppies are, let's see, this is Thursday. They're 10 days old. I just took him out, put him in the basket, gave him some clean bedding. Here, I'll put him a ways away. So they have to go find their mother. They're trying to get up on all fours and walk, as you can see. They're quite clumsy right now, but they're making progress and they can get to where they want to go. This is Richie, Magic Mike, and Brooke. No sign. I haven't noticed any eyes starting to open today. And there is Dallas and Tarzan. What's that you're saying, Richie? Huh? What do you guys think? You gonna have a group meeting? Or are you just gonna fall asleep on each other? You gotta go hunt for her. You gotta go hunt. Everybody is over 2 pounds except for Magic Mike here, where'd he go? The yellow boy, and Tarzan, the green boy, who's right there. You can see his green ribbon. But they're gaining. They've all gained at least 1 to 3 ounces a day. What do you want? Huh? What do you want, baby girl? Richie is like, there she is. Brooke, you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Oops. There you are. There you go. All right, Brooke, that's just not going to work. This is not going to work. that's not gonna work.